As a group, we chose Patagonia. The description: Patagonia is an outdoor apparel clothing company that makes clothes for skiing, snowboarding, surfing, fly fishing, and mountain biking. They connect individuals and grants with organizations to provide funding, resources, and opportunities to communities committed to helping environments around the world. Patagonia donates 1% of sales towards grassroots organizations so they can help protect the environment, and they work steadily to change their business practices to be more environmentally friendly by creating products that last longer or can be recycled. Task environment. Customers. Our values reflect those of businesses started by a brand for climbers and surfers and the minimalist style they promoted. A big part of Patagonia's mission involves public engagement. They welcome the opportunity to share their ideas and experiences with broader business communities, college universities, activists, designers, and policymakers, as well as organizations working to implement solutions to environmental crisis and use businesses as a force for positive change. Their customers are environmental sustainability seekers that want to give back to the planet of what they use. They are outdoorsmen and women that want to spread a message about perseverance and sustainability impacts. They influence the organization about spreading the word about the environmental impact society has taken upon the earth. And when someone sees Patagonia, they think sustainability. Suppliers. Their top suppliers include Bangladesh, China, and Vietnam. Majority of their products are outsourced and are rarely created in the United States. This creates cheaper manufacturing and labor to the company. Competitors. The North Face and Columbia are great examples of competitors for this brand. We see Patagonia more as a message than a brand. Competitors like North Face and Columbia influence Patagonia by introducing new material or products into the market. They also strive to be more environmentally friendly, but they all have the same common goal of preaching sustainability. Employees. The employees that are in Patagonia are one that believe in the product and overall message. Under the employee activism section, you can see that most of them participate in outdoor activities and volunteer opportunities, and they spread the message of sustainability outside of work, which really benefits the work environment for the company because it's something that they really believe in. General environment. International. We see the outsourcing of jobs from different countries mentioned like China and Vietnam to bring in cheaper labor costs, but their products are made throughout the world and then sold in the United States. Technological. Their website gives a great breakdown of technologies that are made to create the product, from using cotton to 100% recycled down material to create durable and long-lasting clothing. Sociological. They bring together a community that wants to bring sustainability to the earth. Patagonia doesn't have a defined age market that they mainly sell to. They mainly sell to the people that share their same views as a company of sustainability and protecting the earth. Economic, from starting out small for making clothing for climbers to exploring the surfer scene and branching out to making more modern clothing. Their business has grown from the small store that started out in Burbank. Natural. This is where they strive. They push the idea of low carbon footprint and sustainability of the planet, and this is where their market lives. And legal, political. This is really seen when they take the lobbying to the government of protecting protected lands and making more protected lands. The SWOT analysis. Their strengths: high quality products, environmentally friendly business, manufacturing process, and low employee turnover. Weaknesses: also low employee turnover, few customer loyalty incentives, few high performance finishes, and less fashionable apparel compared to competitors. Also their price. Opportunities: increase of online spending, increase of environmental activism, expanded target market, and expanding new countries. And the threats: the competition. They have an aging target market, and then changing activities and bodies. Their culture. Patagonia can see it has a mix of an adaptability and an evolvement culture. The heroes is the founder of the company because he's the one that kind of had the main message of protecting this earth, and it's something that all the employees can kind of round up on and use as a common goal. Slogans: they don't use goals. They use, when they talk about in business, they have mountains that they need to overcome. The symbol: they have the Patagonia mountain range that they use as their main symbol for company. It's a very outdoorsy culture, and they have the core values of build the best product, do no unnecessary harm, use business to protect nature, and not bound by convention. And then here is a citation page.